Good morning, children. So, today we are going to start chapter 4 of our English course book, The Minstrel's Song. Children, this is a story about a minstrel named Harmonious and a princess called Imogen. Do you know who is a minstrel? Children, a minstrel means a singer. But before starting the chapter, we will do the warm up exercise. In this, you have to write the name of famous performer of these instruments. But can you name these instruments too? So let's start. Children, the first picture is of santoor, and santoor is played. One of the famous santoor player is Mr. Shiv Kumar Sharma. Mr. Shiv Kumar Sharma. Then the second picture is of Sarod. Children, the second picture is of Sarod. And famous player who plays Sarod is Mr. Amjad Ali. Is Mr. Amjad Ali. Then we have Shehnai. The third picture is of Shehnai, and Sir Bismillah Khan was one of the famous Shehnai player. Okay. Then the last one is tabla, and tabla, the one of the worldwide famous tabla player in country is Mr. Zakir Hussain. Okay. So please write it down in the book with the name of the instrument. Don't straight away write the name of the performer. You have to first write the name of the instrument also. Okay. And now we will start our story. Okay. It is a very beautiful story, and how this singer listens to the nature, the different sounds of nature, the beauty of nature, and all that beauty of nature comes in his songs. Nobody will leave him. That nature can also speak. But what did he do? He tried to understand, and he tried to find out the beauty of the wind blowing, the beauty of river flowing. Okay. So please be careful and listen it. Okay. Children, this story is about a minstrel named Harmonious. I have already told what is a minstrel. Okay. Find out how he learns to compose a fascinating song which surprises everyone. Okay. So we'll just start. Once, long ago, there lived in a country over the sea a king called Wren, who married a lovely princess named Imogen. Okay, so here what happened? A very long time ago, they lived in a country over the sea. है ना? Which king was there? King Wren was there, and he was married to Princess Imogen. Okay. Imogen came across the seas to the king's beautiful country, and all his people welcomed her with great joy because the king loved her. What can I do to please thee today? The king asked her every morning, and one day the queen answered that she would like to hear all the minstrels in the king's country, for they were said to be the finest in the world. As soon as the king heard this, he called his heralds and sent them everywhere through his land to sound their trumpets and call aloud. So, Imogen came a long way. That princess came a long way to marry the king, and the king loved her very much. And every morning he used to go and ask the princess that what do you want so that I can please you. मैं तुम्हें मनाने के लिए या तुम्हें अपना प्यार जताने के लिए मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ। वो रोज़ जा कर के अपनी प्रिंसेस से पूछते थे। तो एक दिन प्रिंसेस ने कहा दैट आई वॉन्ट टू लिसन टू ऑल द मिनिस्ट्रल्स, आई वॉन्ट टू हियर ऑल द मिनिस्ट्रल्स इन द किंग्स कंट्री। आपके जितने भी सिंगर्स हैं आपके कंट्री में, मैं उन सब का गाना सुनना चाहती हूँ, उन सबको मैं सुनना चाहती हूँ। और क्योंकि मैंने ये सुना है कि सबसे अच्छे सिंगर्स जो हैं दुनिया के वो आपके पास हैं, दैट दे आर द फाइनेस्ट इन द वर्ल्ड। व्हाट आई हैव हर्ड दैट यू हैव द फाइनेस्ट मिनिस्ट्रल्स of the world in your country. So king was very happy. As he was happy, what did he do? He just called his heralds. Who are the heralds? His messengers, royal messengers. ठीक है, जो उनका संदेश लोगों तक पहुंचा सकते थे. So he called his messengers and sent them everywhere to go and call. Whom to call? To tell all the minstrels to come to the court, to come to the court, come to the castle and play the music for the princess. Okay, here, ye minstrels, King Ren, a gracious king, bids ye come to play at his court on May Day for love of the Queen Imogen. The minstrels were men who sang beautiful songs and played on harps, and traveled from place to place, from castle to castle, entertaining, and were always sure of a welcome wherever they roamed. Okay, so what did the heralds do? The messenger went to the city, went to the country, different parts of the country, and took there and just told to all the ministers that our king has called you to the castle, to the court, and you come on the May Day. There must be some special occasion, the May Day, for to express his love towards the princess. So he wants all of you to be in the court, and we will have a program. The means Okay, so I have already explained what is the word minstrel means. Minstrel means a singer who sang beautiful songs. These are the people who used to sing very beautiful songs. Okay, and play harp. Harp is a musical instrument whose picture I will send you in the group afterwards. Okay, you can see what is a harp. They could sing of the brave deeds that the knights had done, and of war and battles, and could tell of the mighty hunters who hunted in great forests, and of fairies and goblins better than a storybooks. And because there were no storybooks in those days, everybody from little children to the king was glad to see them come. Okay, they used to sing. They used to sing? They used to sing brave deeds, है ना. वो शौर्य गाथाएं सुनाते थे. शौर्य गाथाएं मतलब बहादुरी के किस्से. ठीक है, वो सैनिकों की शौर्य गाथाएं सुनाते थे. उसके बाद में जो वो बड़ी बड़ी लड़ाइयाँ उन्होंने लड़ी और किस बहादुरी से लड़ी उसके बारे में गाने बना के सुनाते थे, या फिर कोई ऐसे शिकार के बारे में सुनाते थे जो बड़े बड़े फॉरेस्ट में लोगों ने जाके किया हुआ, या फिर फेरीज परियों की और गॉबलिन्स जो विलेनियस कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं उन दोनों के बीच की स्टोरी सुनाते थे, जिससे लोगों को बहुत अच्छा लगता था सुनकर. क्योंकि उस समय पर देवर नो मोड ऑफ एंटरटेनमेंट, देवर नो मोबाइल फोन, नो टेलीविजन, नो स्टोरी बुक्स, नथिंग. So everyone was very excited to listen to these people. Okay, they used to visit village and village, other अलग अलग गाँव में जाते थे, and they used to go, and what they used to do, they used to recite these poems. They used to recite these poems with the musical instrument called the harp. Okay. So when the minstrels heard the king's message, they made haste to the place on May Day, and it so happened that some of them met on the way and decided to travel together. One of these minstrels was a young man named Harmonius, and while the other talked of the songs that they would sing, he gathered the wild flowers that grew by the roadside. I can sing of the drums and battles, said the oldest minstrel, whose hair was white and whose step was slow. I can sing of ladies and their fair faces, said the youngest minstrel. But Harmonius whispered, listen, listen. Oh, we hear nothing but the wind in the treetops, said the others. We have no time to stop and listen. So what happened? As they got the king's message, all of them began to reach the court. उन्होंने सबने वहाँ जाने की तैयारी की और जैसे जैसे पूरे देश से उन्होंने minstrels बुलाए थे, singers बुलाए थे. So they all started to go towards the court and some of them met in the way itself. रास्ते में ही हम लोग काफ़ी सारे एक दूसरे से मिलने लगे और जैसे ही मिले तो वो आपस में अपने व्यूज़ शेयर करने लगे, ये डिस्कस करने लगे कि वो वहाँ जाकर कौन सा सॉन्ग सुनाएंगे, कैसे सुनाएंगे. तो उसमें जो सबसे ओल्डेस्ट मिनिस्ट्रल थे उन्होंने कहा कि आई कैन सिंग ऑफ द ड्रम्स एंड बैटल्स. ओके, मैं लड़ाइयों के बारे में और उनके बड़े बड़े कारनामे जो हैं यहाँ के राजा और उनके सैनिक के, उनके फौजों के, वो मैं सब सुना सकता हूँ. But then, what did the other one say? I can sing of ladies and their fair faces, that I can describe the beautiful ladies, okay, in my poem. But what was this young minstrel was doing? Harmonious. We have already told you that this story is about a minstrel called Harmonious. So here is that minstrel, and what did he do? As he was walking in the forest, he picked up some of the wildflowers and he was trying to tell the other persons also that please come and listen. They are saying something. But what did these people say? The old people and all, they said, oh, there is nothing, we can only hear the wind blowing. हमें सिर्फ हवा की हल्की हल्की आवाज़ें आनी और कुछ नहीं है इसमें. आप फ्लावर्स दिखा रहे हो या ये क्या बोल रहे हैं, ये कुछ नहीं बोल रहे. और वैसे भी अब हमारे पास में टाइम नहीं है, वी हैव नो टाइम टू स्टे बैक हियर. ओके children, please go through the word meanings of the book properly.